Good morning, traders. It's the 17th of November, and welcome to AI Traders Live, Artificial Intelligence Trading, Live Market Analysis. And today I'd like to look at the S&P 500, and we're going to identify key trading ideas coming out of the S&P 500, running the artificial intelligence engine through it. Just a brief disclaimer, this is just a software demonstration. It's not giving any investment advice. So we're going to jump into the Metastock platform, an award-winning, multi-year award-winning software platform. And we can see here we have tons of different strategies on the Metastock platform. So I'm going to select the Fulgent artificial intelligence engine, and in terms of stocks, we're going to look at the S&P 500, and we're going to start our exploration. Now this takes about 20 minutes because the artificial intelligence needs to go through 500 shares and look at four different rules, four different AI strategies we're looking for. One is a major reversal, the other one is a swing trade, the next one is a volatility breakout, and then a quick move. So these four different AI strategies caters towards whether you a buy and hold, or you're a swing trader, or an aggressive volatility breakout trader, or a quick move short-term trader. So what to look for is the AI has looked at all the technical indicators in the Metastock database and then optimize the settings, put different settings, different figures in the RSI or the MACD or relative strength or stochastics, and tested how these strategies or these rules relate to each other, and then trying to find more profitable rules. And once it's developed those rules, it will retest and retest and until it finds the best highly profitable rules. Now in this case we have 75-80% accuracy in a lot of these AI strategies. So as long as we're above 70% accuracy, it should be you should be okay with the trading. It's not perfect because it uses technical indicators that were developed, but it's now developing new indicators on the back of that. And we have these four major reversal, swing trade, volatility breakout, and quick move AI strategies that we are screening for. So I'm going to just close this scan. I already got the results loaded, but you can see it does take quite a while, particularly for the S&P 500. We've only done 1 minute. So I'm going to cancel that, and I'm going to load an existing report that I just did this morning. There we go. So there we go. So we have the following stocks in the that comes through in the screen. Now what we have here is we have inner long, inner shorts, where the AI is in a long position in a particular instrument or in a short position. We have the bars, the amount of time the bars that passed since the signal was triggered. So we can see 3M Company is just a new trade 4 bars ago. A.O. Smith, Abbott Labs is 33 bars ago. Accenture is 35 bars ago. These are all longs. Adobe and Advanced Auto Parts are shorts, 2 to 4 days into the trade there. AFLAC is 1 day, 105 days into the trade, so quite a long one. So you can sort the columns here, say, right, let's start with all the bars that are short. So we'll go with the first long one. Adobe is in a short there. Let's go to the first long one. Yeah, 3M Company. We'll just focus on the longs for now. In view of the sector rotation that's taking place in the market, you can see we've had plenty of nice swing trade signals coming out of it. Volatility breakout here at the bottom in March. Nice little move there, stop loss executed, then another quick swing trade. Those are ideal for CFD trading, or if you're a spread better. Another swing trade there, quick swing trade there, volatility breakout swing trade. So there's been multiple trading signals in and around 3M Company. So currently 4 days into the long there. The next one is A.O. Smith. You can see there. So there we go. You can see how the volatility breakouts moved. Swing trade, and once again we can see this is many profitable trades this year so far in the using the AI trading S&P 500 shares, for example. Now you can't trade all of them, but you certainly can keep an eye on some of these. Look for ones that are just recently fired. So If we look at the ones that's been in a trade for a very long time, Boston property, let's see there, very long trade, volatility breakout, slow mover, but you're still in this long trade. AT&T, you can see there also a slow mover, but still very wide stop loss there. American Electronic, they also, yeah, this is a nice trade, also up significantly since the volatility breakout signal occurred. So you can see there's quite a lot of good trades coming out of the AI scan. Now if we just go back to in the longs, there's a few. Amazon, yes, 8 days into a trade. Nice trade there in Amazon. There we go. We'll put Amazon, stop. I've got Amazon Alexa here in the background, and she responds every time I talk about Amazon. So here we go. Amazon is also nice. So there's been some fantastic volatility breakout trades here at the bottom, all the way up. Quick move all the way up, and there was a sell signal there. Another volatility breakout, sell signal there. And now we in a long quick move, volatility breakout. So their stop loss there is just about 2,950, around about there. So Amazon is a top pick, 8 days into trade, but it's still within a buying range. Alliant Energy, you can see also here, huge volatility breakout move. Lots of trading took place the last couple of months on this one. Volatility breakout there, nice entry at like what, 51, 52. Up to 56. Volatility breakout, still long in that one, going into the end, close to the end of the year. Armcore PLC, this is a fantastic one as well. You can see major reversals, a very nice trade. You can focus on just these individual strategies, like just look for major reversals, or just look for quick moves, or just look for a swing trade or volatility breakout, and then just screen according to that. But you can see here in March, major reversal, huge run up, sold out there. Another quick move, quick swing trade there, another quick swing trade there, another quick swing trade there, got out there, and another quick swing trade there in Armcore PLC. So you can see the AI is really picking up a lot of good trading signals. So you don't necessarily need to scan the entire market. You can get a watch list of your kind of favorite shares you'd like to trade, and just use these on the top. Use these with the AI engine on top of that. Okay, Apple, 14 days into a trade there. Let's go look at that one. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so there we go. Apple, huge volatility breakout, huge move up, and you can see the AI puts the stop loss in as we go along. Profit taking there, huge move up, swing trade. Interestingly enough, having looked at the AI, necessarily wouldn't go for stocks as very extended. That's interesting. Sometimes there are trades that the AI would not take, for example, when a stock particularly goes into an extended range. Now in a case like this, you can get into the trade and then just move your trailing stop up, and then just use your own indicator as well to combine your trading strategy. For example, I use cloud charts in combination with this, so Apple trade would have been out in and around this zone, not necessarily that one there. Let's see what's another one. Archer Daniels, 7 days into a trade. That's had a fantastic move. You can see a volatility breakout, swing trade, huge volatility breakout. The trade worked out there. The others would probably have got you stopped out. Swing trade, move up, stop loss moves up all the way, and then it takes a profit. Huge volatility breakout. So you got to be quick with these signals. They tend to come early, a day or two, so you do have some time to get into them. Autodesk, it along 7 days into the trade. You can see there also volatility breakout, huge move up, then consolidating the move, and then breaks out to move higher. There the stop loss was hit, so the AI got you out there, highlighting that that's the time to take a stopper. So these are all the stocks that are in basically longs. One can see there's a few shorts as well, but you can see in longs. Let's just resort them. These are all that's in longs, and you can see the corresponding time frame, how many days have passed since the signal was triggered. So there's been quite a few stocks that the AI is currently in a trade, about 33 long and short. It's rejected for 41 because these did not meet the particular screening results. Okay, right. If anybody's interested in getting your own AI, you can. Let me just get my Metastock is the platform to use. There's a metastock.com/alphaharvest 3 for 1 deal. You buy 1 month, you get 2 additional months free for the next 3 months, so you can try the system out. And then to get the artificial intelligence into the Metastock platform, you go to metastock.com/alphaharvestf for the deal on the AI search engine. So well worth looking at AI to incorporate that into your trading. Okay, but so far so good. Quite a lot of stocks long, and this is one way to keep an eye on the sector rotation. Until next time, happy AI trading.